All right, hey, Josh here, Attica Lumber Company. Hey, let's take a look at this right here, 60 by 80 post frame building, pole barn building. A couple things I'm gonna talk to you about is this facade, this 3-foot wainscot that we're applying, and then also we'll talk about the green Gard post and also the Perma-Columns. So let's get into this. I'll show you this, that way you can see this. So we're applying this wainscot, and you can see right here, hopefully you can see this, the glare's not too bad here. But what this is this is a vinyl wainscot there. And again, it can come in different things, but this is a vinyl texture. You see how we're doing that? You see how we got the channel right there we're gonna connect it to, and then also the basing or that as well. We'll run that up against there with the sidewall steel. So again, it dresses up the building. You can see it actually looks like stone. People think it's like stone or brick. And I guess it could come in that form too, but it's actually, it's not, obviously due to cost concerns, but you can see how that dresses up the building right there. And then we'll go and I'll show you some other parts of this, but let's talk about why he did this. As you can see right here, this is a barndominium or barndo, okay? But this porch right here, he did green Gard post. And the reason why, he's gonna put white vinyl wraps. Now on the interior here, we'll see this in a few minutes here, he did concrete Perma-Columns. So the green Gard out here on the porch section. That way you can come back and wrap it up and so forth. But hopefully, let me show you over here. Maybe you can see it, maybe the glare. You can see that's a vinyl. And you see that we tacked that there. Put a screw right there. Can you see that? Boy, the sun glares fairly bright out here, but and then you can see how we're doing that. Okay, now you can see on the inside here, we're setting it up again. It's going to be a barndo. You can see on the inside, concrete Perma-Columns were used on this. And you can see what you do when you put that on there. If you're going to do that, you can see. You got to put a backer on that to fasten it. You can see what we use there. We use OSB stranded board here as well. Actually a 1/2 inch, I believe. It's 1/2 inch, yeah. Actually, it could be 7/16. I believe it's 7/16. I mean, obviously from budget, 7/16 OSB, just enough to give it as a backer for that. So that gives you an idea there. Now trusses, 2x6 bottom cord, 2x6 top cord, 2100 load factor here. And then I'll go out here and I'll show you here. This is, actually let's go this way here. That way you can see this side as well. So any comments, definitely drop them in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this. Again, different way to dress up your building versus doing a wing. Here's a better look. Yeah, I thought this was done here, but you can see here how that looks there. See how that charcoal vinyl wainscot matches with the black, and then also black soft base. Then I'll show you when this building is complete. I'll show you the finished product, but that kind of gives you an idea how this is done. You see how that's sealed in together right there. All right, and then you got your 2x10 baseboard as well down there. You see how that conjoins together with that. All right, so hopefully that helps you out if you're thinking about doing that yourself. Project gives you some ideas. Again, keep following the journey. Again, I'll update you on this project as it continues. But atticalumber.com, and keep it locked and loaded right here. Attica Lumber since 1925.